Welcome back to Beautyistic, where science meets self-care, and every product gets the honest spotlight it deserves. Let's talk about something that's a little powerhouse in a tube, the Boiron Calendula Cream. It's designed to soothe everyday skin irritations like rashes, sunburns, razor burn, insect bites, or just general dryness. Essentially, it's your go-to for calming, comforting relief, without the heavy fragrance or greasiness that so many creams leave behind. This cream is formulated with one-star ingredient, Calendula officinalis, better known as the garden marigold. It's been used for generations for its natural healing properties, and Boiron, a leader in homeopathic skincare, sources their calendula flowers directly from the French countryside. That means these blossoms are hand-picked, pesticide-free, and packed with the plant's natural actives. The texture is water-based and lightweight. It's soothing, absorbs quickly, and feels breathable on the skin. Plus, it's free from parabens, dyes, and artificial fragrances, which makes it especially suitable for sensitive or easily irritated skin. Now let's talk about what it's actually like to use. I tried the Boiron Calendula Cream on a few different types of irritation: mild razor burn, a bit of sun exposure, and even some dry, flaky skin around my elbows. What stood out immediately was how non-greasy it felt. It sinks in fast, but still leaves behind a layer of hydration that feels protective without being sticky. After a few uses, redness visibly reduced, and that tight, uncomfortable feeling from dryness disappeared. It's also quite versatile. You can use it on your body, face, hands, or even as a light night cream after exfoliation. Now this is the part where I pause and ask, is this review helping you so far? If it is, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth product review like this one. Your support helps us keep this community growing. Back to the cream. The pros are clear. It's gentle, effective, and genuinely soothing. The texture is ideal for quick absorption, and it delivers visible results without irritation. It's fragrance-free, which makes it perfect for sensitive skin or those who react to strong scents. The tube packaging is also practical, hygienic, easy to carry, and clean to dispense. On the downside, while the cream is lovely for mild to moderate skin concerns, it's not meant for severe burns or more advanced skin conditions. You'll also find that the 2.5 tube goes fairly quickly if you're using it over large areas daily. As for value for money, I'd say it's a solid investment for anyone who needs a reliable, gentle healing cream. It's not the cheapest option in the drugstore aisle, but you're paying for purity, a clean formulation, responsibly sourced ingredients, and dependable results. It's also FSA and HSA eligible, which is a bonus for those managing skincare as part of their health expenses. If you've used other soothing creams like Aveeno's Eczema Therapy Cream or Aquaphor Healing Ointment, Boiron's version feels lighter and less greasy while still providing that calm, restorative effect. It's an excellent middle ground between a traditional ointment and a lightweight moisturizer. The packaging holds up well. The cream stays stable, doesn't separate, and maintains its smooth consistency over time. There's also no strong smell, so it won't interfere with any other skincare or fragrances you're wearing. Boiron has a reputation for quality, and while I didn't personally need to reach out to their customer service, the brand has a strong track record for responsiveness and consumer trust in homeopathic care. When it comes to alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, Burt's Bees Rescue Ointment offers a more affordable natural option, though it's a bit oilier in texture. For those who prefer a thicker consistency, Welita's Skin Food could be a great pick, but it's far richer and may not be ideal for oily or acne-prone skin. Overall, my final verdict: Boiron Calendula Cream is a beautifully balanced product, gentle, effective, and impressively versatile. It delivers exactly what it promises: plant-powered comfort for irritated skin without the extras you don't need. I'd recommend it for anyone dealing with mild skin irritations, dryness, or razor sensitivity who wants a clean, lightweight, and non-irritating solution. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to this product in the description below. And if you've tried the Boiron Calendula Cream yourself, I'd love to know. Did it calm your skin as well as it did mine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay radiant, stay confident, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out.